we have to prove distance between vertices of a connected graph is a metric. Now what is distance of distance between vertices and what is metric? We have to know first. We define distance between Vi and Vj, length of the shortest path from vertex Vi to Vj. For example, this is a graph. What is the distance between V1 and V4? Or V1 from V5? We can have the path V1 to V5 is distance between V1 and V5 is 1, only one edge. So distance is 1, only one edge difference here. But we have another path here to here, 1, 2, 3. This is also a path from here to here. This is also a path, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also a path for V5. But it is not a distance. We have in a distance. What is distance means? Distance of two vertices means length of the shortest path from vertex Vi to Vj. So if we consider here to here, what is distance? 1, 2, 3. It is a shortest path. It can have 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also a distance from V1 to V7. But distance of V1 to V7 is which is shortest path. So this is about distance of vertices. Now what is about metric? We have to prove that distance between vertices of a connected graph. This is a connected graph. Connected graph is a metric. What is metric? Metric is a function. Metric is a function such that if f is a function y cross y to r real number, then non-negativity. First it follows non-negativity. F of xy is greater than or equal to 0 for all xy belongs to for all xy. Okay, f of xy is equal to 0 if and only if x is equal to y. If we consider distance, it follows non-negativity. How? If Vi is equal to Vj, what is distance from V1 to V1? Distance from V1 to V1, it is equal to 0. So f of xy is equal to 0 if and only if x is equal to y. Here V1 is equal to V1, so distance between it is 0. And if Vi is not equal to Vj, then there is at least one path between it is. For example, V1 to V5 here. Only one path, at least one path is here. If V1 is not equal to V5, at least one path between here. It is greater than 0. So distance is non-negative. It cannot be negative. Distance from here to here or here to here, it is non-negative. It is greater than 0 or equal to 0. Hence, distance is non-negative. It shows non-negativity. Now another condition is symmetry. F of xy is equal to f of yx. So symmetry is clearly, we can see this by this example. What is distance between V1 to V5? It is 1. V1 to V5. What is distance between V5 to V1? Distance between V5 to V1 is also equal to 1. Why? Because here to here is same distance, here to here is same distance. What is distance between V1 to V6? 1, 2. Similarly, what is distance between V6 to V1? 1, 2. So distance is always same. In general, distance is length of the shortest path from Vi to Vj. It is length of shortest path between Vi and Vj. Since the same path can be traced Vi to Vj, since the same path can be traced from Vi to Vj to be shortest path from Vj to Vi. So, since the same path can be traced from Vj to Vi to be shortest from Vj to Vi, from Vi to Vj to be shortest path from Vj to Vi. Vi to Vj is same to Vj to Vi. It follows that distance of Vi is equal to distance of Vj to Vi. Vi to Vj is same as Vj to Vi. Hence the symmetry is follows. And last property is triangle inequality. What is triangle inequality? If f of xy it has f of xy is less than or equal to f of xz plus f of zy for for any z. Now consider vertex vk. Consider a vertex vk. Now vk lies in the shortest path of vi and vj. Now consider vertex v2 here. If v2 is lies shortest path from v1 to v6, okay. Now distance between vi to vj, that is distance between v1 to v6, okay, distance between v1 to v6 is 2, that is equal to distance between v1 to v2 plus distance between v2 to v1. Okay, distance between v1 to v6 is equal to distance between v1 to v2 plus distance between v2 to v6. This equation takes place if when vk is lies shortest path of vi to vj. Distance between vi to vj is this equality holds. If vk does not lie on shortest path, for example here v1 to v5, okay. Now consider v2. v2 is not lies in shortest path of v1 and v5. What is distance between v1 and v5? It is 1. Then how inequality takes place? Distance between v1 to distance between v1 to v2 plus distance between v2 to v5. What is distance between v1 to v2? It is 1. And distance between v2 to v5, it is 2. So 1 plus 2, it is equal to 3. Always distance between v1 to v5 is less than, it is 1, is less than d of distance between v1 to v2 plus distance between v2 to v5. When v2 is not lie on shortest path of v1 to v5, this is the shortest path, v2 not lies here, so distance between vi to vj is less than or equal to distance between vi to vj is less than distance between vi to vk plus distance between vk to vj when vk is not lies on shortest path of vi to vj. So this inequality holds good. So triangular inequality holds. So distance between vertex is metric. All these conditions are satisfied. So it is we called metric.